Here's a Chevy Tahoe body style 2007 to 2013. Full Kenwood audio system to the factory radio. The SOUNDSTREAM epicenter. Everything is underneath this seat right here. Can't see any of the wires. All we have to do, open it up. You'll see everything down here. All the wires are nice, neat, organized, tied up. When it's all said and done, you can't even tell that any of it is there. All the panels put back together. And back here we have the 212s Kenwood and a ported probox. We have car audio for all budgets here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sundays. Chevy Tahoe, Kenwood bass package, factory radio. See you guys on the next one.